Hello student, hi, good evening. So today we are going to see how to calculate the bandwidth, resonant frequency and quality factor, upper cutoff frequency, lower cutoff frequency in series RLC circuit. Okay, so let's see here how to find these parameters. Here my big problem, we will understand this. Here I have IEC signal Vi of t, and here this is my V out, V naught of t. Okay, so now if we see, this is my resistance R and this is inductance L and this is my capacitance C. Okay, so now what we are going to find here, so let's see, we first we will calculate the transfer function, then after that once we will complete the transfer function, then after that we will find the bandwidth, resonant frequency and upper cutoff frequency, lower cutoff frequency and quality factor of the circuit, of the series RLC circuit. Okay, so now see here, first of all we are going to apply here voltage distribution rule across the capacitor. Okay, so across the capacitor, which is given as here V naught of S in S domain. Okay, so let's see, first I will write this circuit in S domain. So circuit in S domain is nothing but this is my positive, negative voltage, so and this is my resistance and this is my inductance here, and this is my capacitance and this is ground, and this is in S domain, this is my Vi of S and this is my R as it is, and this is my SL. Okay, and this is my 1 by SC capacitance, and across this I am going to apply voltage division rule. Okay, so by which we will obtain the output voltage in term of input voltage in S domain. So that is what, by applying voltage division rule across the capacitor at the output side, so we will get this as V naught of S is equal to 1 by SC into input voltage is what, Vi of S divided by R plus SL plus 1 by SC. Okay, so now this is my Vi of S. So therefore the transfer function for V naught of S, so now the transfer function is nothing but for this H of S is equal to V naught of S divided by Vi of S is equal to, what is this, 1 by SC divided by R plus SL plus 1 by SC. Okay, so this is my transfer function. Simplify it as per our convenience. H of S is equal to what, is equal to, if you see this one here 1 by SC, I am taking common this 1 by SC from this side, this both will get cancelled out and we are remaining with what, here numerator we are left with what, S square LC plus S square LC plus SRC plus 1. Okay, so now here what we are going to do here, H of S is equal to, take LC common here, so we will get 1 by LC divided by what, S square divided by S square plus R by LS plus 1 by LC. So this is what final transfer function for the series RLC circuit, S square plus R by L into S plus 1 by LC. Obtained for the series RLC circuit is what, H of S is equal to 1 by LC divided by S square plus R by L into S plus 1 by LC. Okay, so now here you will see, this is what my denominator. Okay, so this is my denominator. Let us, what is this denominator, is nothing but the characteristic equation of this RLC. H of S is equal to 1 by LC, S square plus R by L, S plus 1 by LC. So this is what, this is the transfer function of the RLC series circuit that we have obtained. Now from here we can write what? We can write here the characteristic equation of this system is what? The characteristic equation of this system is nothing but, if you see, characteristic equation for this system is nothing but S square plus R by L S plus 1 by LC, okay, equal to what? 0. So this is my characteristic equation, which is equation number 1. So for this series RLC circuit, okay. So now, as we know very well what the characteristic equation for the standard second order system is what? The characteristic equation for the standard second order system is given as S square plus 2 zeta omega n 2 zeta omega naught s plus omega naught square, okay. Omega naught square is equal to what? 0. So this is my equation number 2. This is my equation number 2. Now what I'm going to do here, I'm going to find the central frequency of the series RLC circuit, which is nothing but the resonant frequency. Yes. So here the central frequency, if we compare these two characteristic equations, we get from here what? Central frequency. Central frequency is what? Omega naught square is equal to what? If we are going to compare this, we will get omega naught square is equal to 1 by LC. So therefore what resonant frequency or central frequency is obtained as omega naught is equal to 1 by square root of LC. 1 by square root of LC, okay. So which is in radian per second, So this is what we obtained, the central frequency or resonant frequency of the series RLC circuit, which is obtained as 1 by square root of LC. Yes, this is my central frequency or resonant frequency of the series RLC circuit. After comparing these two characteristic equation, one characteristic equation that we have obtained for the series RLC circuit and another characteristic equation that we know for the standard second order system. Yes, by comparison we obtain the central frequency or resonant frequency is equal to 1 by square root of LC. And this frequency is also known as undamped natural frequency of the second order system. So we are going to obtain what? Bandwidth obtained here. This is my resonant frequency. And what is the bandwidth? If we see here bandwidth is nothing but, bandwidth is nothing but 2 zeta. Bandwidth is nothing but 2 zeta omega naught. Yes, this is my bandwidth. So this is 2 zeta omega naught is what? Bandwidth. How much bandwidth is there? If we compare this with this, how much we will get? The bandwidth is nothing but R by L. So which is in radian per meter, radian per second. So this is my bandwidth. Now we have obtained what? Bandwidth and central frequency of the second order RLC circuit. So this is what? Bandwidth, okay. So now what is another parameter? So this is bandwidth, resonant frequency, and now we are going to find upper cutoff frequency and lower cutoff frequency. What is my upper cutoff frequency and lower cutoff? What we have obtained till now we have obtained the central frequency, which is also known as resonant frequency or undamped natural frequency, which we have obtained as 1 by square root of LC, and bandwidth that we have obtained here as 2 zeta omega naught is equal to what? R by L, okay. So both are in radian per second. Now we are going to find upper cutoff frequency and lower cutoff frequency. This is upper and lower cutoff frequency, upper and lower cutoff frequency. Okay, so we are going to find upper and lower cutoff frequency, for which upper cutoff frequency is given as omega h is equal to what? Omega h is equal to central frequency or resonant frequency plus bandwidth by 2, okay. So which is nothing but, if you see here, central frequency or resonant frequency plus bandwidth is nothing but what? R by L. So which is nothing but R by 2L. So this is my upper cutoff frequency. And what is lower cutoff frequency? Lower cutoff frequency is nothing but resonant frequency minus bandwidth by 2. Okay, so which is nothing but here omega naught minus R by 2L. Yes, so this is my lower cutoff frequency. This is my lower cutoff frequency. This is my upper cutoff frequency. Now we are going to find here what quality factor. What quality factor? So this is my upper cutoff frequency, lower cutoff quality factor. Here quality factor. Quality factor. Quality factor of the series RLC circuit is given as we know very well. Quality factor is nothing but resonant frequency upon bandwidth. Yes, resonant frequency upon bandwidth is nothing but quality factor. Yes, so quality factor is resonant frequency upon bandwidth. What is my resonant frequency? That is omega naught upon what is my bandwidth is what? R by L. So which is nothing but omega naught L by R. So this is my quality factor of series RLC circuit. Now see, this is what quality factor. Now we are going to find the damping ratio of this series RLC circuit. Yes, damping ratio of series RLC circuit is what? As we know very well, the damping ratio. How to find the damping ratio? So damping ratio for the series RLC circuit, which is nothing but zeta, is given as we know very well what the quality factor is equal to 1 by 2 zeta. So quality factor is equal to 1 by 2 zeta. Yes, for series RLC circuit. So from here zeta is nothing but equal to what? 1 by 2 time of quality factor. So this is my zeta. Yes, now just put the value of quality factor here. We will get the damping ratio as what? We can find the damping ratio from here also. We can obtain the damping ratio from here also. That we will obtain as zeta is equal to what? Zeta is equal to 1 by 2 into quality factor that we have obtained as omega naught L by R. So that R will go upside. So therefore what we will get the damping ratio as what? Damping ratio that we will get as R by 2L. This is omega naught is 1 by square root of LC, that will go upside LC. So therefore damping ratio for series RLC circuit will be what? So this is nothing but R by 2 into square root of L by square root of what? C by L. Yes, so this is what? This is my damping ratio for series RLC circuit. Yes, series RLC circuit. So now we have calculated resonant frequency, bandwidth, upper cutoff frequency, lower cutoff frequency, damping ratio, quality factor of the series RLC circuit. Yes, or series RLC circuit. So that is what this was my series RLC circuit, Vi of S, and this is resistance, inductance, capacitance. Okay, so this is my resistance R, this is L, and this is C. Okay, so for this, and here across capacitor we have calculated V naught of S. So for which we have found the transfer function as V naught of S divided by Vi of S, which is nothing but here 1 by LC divided by S square plus 1 R by L into S plus 1 by LC. Yes, 1 by LC. So this, which can be written as, we can write this as also omega naught square divided by S square plus R by L S plus omega naught square. Yes, because omega naught is what? My central frequency or resonant frequency, which is 1 by square root of LC. Yes, now from here what we have obtained? We have obtained omega naught. So this is what actually up to this is what the actual transfer function for this series RLC circuit and the parameter that we have obtained here. Okay, so that is what we have obtained here for series RLC circuit. So that is resonant frequency that we have obtained as 1 by square root of LC. Yes, and bandwidth that we have obtained as R by L. Yes, and these are in radian per second, and upper cutoff frequency that we have obtained as resonant frequency minus plus R by L. Yes, and here radian per second, and a lower cutoff frequency that we have obtained as omega naught minus R by L. This is also radian per second. And here then we have obtained what? Damping ratio. Zeta is equal to what? R by 2 square root of C by L. Yes, so this is what damping ratio. Then we have obtained the quality factor that we have obtained as omega naught L by R. Yes, these are the 6 parameters that we have obtained for series RLC circuit. Yes, series RLC circuit. Resonant frequency, bandwidth, upper cutoff frequency, lower cutoff frequency, damping ratio, quality factor. Thank you very much.